Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance video, and if you saw the title, it's from the house of Yves Laurent, and it is Nuit Homme. This is the special edition box. Pretty much this box here, I'm opening up for you guys and show you what's inside. Inside we have the fragrance itself, we have aftershave, and we have shower gel. This is just a presentation of it. Really nice. I had won this at a Max Roma event where my girlfriend won it, put her names in the giveaway thing to win a free fragrance gift package. So she won. She didn't say anything that she liked at the time. So she's like, do you want this one? I said, yeah, sure. I always liked the Nuit Homme, but at the time, you know, it's kind of expensive. And I know what people were saying about performances, issues and stuff like that. But it was cool to get something for free. This video is not sponsored by Max Roma at all. It's just telling you where I got it for free at. So it's pretty cool to meet up with a couple other fragrance YouTubers like Brooklyn Fragrance Lover, Steven Retta Lessons, pretty much, who else was there? Oh, it was Cubano, and it was Gary from No Nonsense, and it was Doc Rick. So it was a bunch of cool YouTubers there. It was pretty cool to meet them all. So this is just a presentation of the box right here. And here is the aftershave, pretty cool. And this is going to be the overall shower gel, pretty cool. And this is the bottle itself, which is pretty nice, pretty cool. And let's talk about Nuit Homme. It's been talked about for so many times on everybody's YouTube channel. The cardamom, the lavender, it's nice, it's sexy. It's just, spray it again just to get a little whiff of it. It's pretty much, I feel, as a sex in a bottle. It's just amazing, a great date night fragrance. Your woman you're with should, I really believe she'll love this fragrance. It smells nice, it's just sexy, a little spicy, it's just really nice. And I just, you know, at the time, when they kept reformulating, it was like, well, is it going to last, not last? On my skin, I get about 2 hours of projection. And longevity, I get about a good 5 to 6 hours. So it's not the best. It's nice for a date night. You go to the movies, you grab some dinner, maybe make out a little bit or whatever. And it's going to get you through the date. It's nice. If you really want to make it last longer past the date and maybe go back to her place or your place, you can always bring a little travel atomizer with you and reapply it later on. It's a great scent. It smells good. It's just, this is a classy fragrance that smells sexy, point blank. I'm not going to break down those because everybody heard about Nuit Homme for years now. So some people have the older version which lasts forever, which is great. I have a 2017 version, so it works okay on me. It's not beast mode and it's not best longevity, but it's nice. And I do like the bottle presentation. It's very beautiful. Even if it didn't last that much than what it does now, excuse me, I would still have this in my fragrance collection just to have up there with all my other fragrances. Just a beautiful fragrance to have. And if you haven't tried out Nuit Homme, you should try this fragrance out. Most people, if you into fragrances, heard about Nuit Homme. And if you haven't, please go to your Macy's, Sephora, Nordstrom, and spray it and see if you like it. I really believe you'll like it. Every time I smell it, it just smells like just sex in a bottle. It's amazing. It's great. And when I wear it, my girlfriend likes the fragrance. She really does. So it's really nice when we go out on dates and stuff like that. I do apply maybe 3-4 sprays. 1 here, 2, 3, maybe 1 in the back. Make it 4 sprays. And it's nice. And it's just pleasant. I haven't got any negative comments for fragrance. I always got either it smells good, what is it, or I've smelled that before. But it's nice. This is Nuit Homme. You should definitely try this fragrance out if you haven't. If you haven't, most people have, but very nice fragrance. If you have an old batch, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you have an old batch. If you like this fragrance, please leave a comment below. I have my Fragrance Army shirt on because I support Jeremy and everything he does. I want to cut the video here and explain why I respect Jeremy and why I started fragrances. So thanks for watching the video. Here's going to be a bonus feature coming right up. So this is a video dedicated to Jeremy Fragrance. Jeremy, thanks for helping me talk about fragrances and just enjoy fragrances. I appreciate it a lot. I met you a couple months ago at a Parfums de Marly event. I've been following you for almost 2-3 years watching your channel. Some of my favorite videos I watched was Giorgio Armani, Acqua di Profumo, and Valentino Uomo Intense and Prada L'Homme. You have other videos too with your top 10 fall and summer and spring and cheap fragrances. It was nice to meet you. I was in a dark place in my life about 2 years ago. I was with somebody, I was really happy, but then it kind of went downhill. She lost her job, and then I had to work 2 jobs, and then she just got sick, and then after she got sick, she got well, and she just gave up on me. And I was paying all the bills. I was trying to get myself together. I gave away some fragrances just to make some money, and just I lost a lot. And I started watching Jeremy Fragrance channel, just trying to be happy about my life and get through the past I got. I went broke. I had to go move back with my parents for about a couple months, save up money to get my own place again. And I live by myself now. My girlfriend has her own place, I have my own place, but the girlfriend I was with before her, I lost a lot, and I was unhappy with my life. And I enjoy talking about fragrances, and Jeremy changed my life where I could talk about fragrances and actually be happy about something in life, trying to just chase girls. And just, it was a bad time in my life, and started drinking, and I pretty much lost everything. And I tried to help the girl as much as I could. I got her a car. I had myself a car just to get back and forth to work. And whatever I could do, it just didn't work for me. So it didn't work. She left. I had to pay everything by myself. I moved out and moved my parents, saved up some more money. And I was a nervous wreck a couple years ago. And I just would thank you, Jeremy, for making fragrances fun to talk about. And I found something to void the hurt and pain inside my own life. And I'd like to thank you for that, Jeremy. If you see this video, great. If you don't, it's no big deal. I know you're subscribed to my channel, but I'd like to thank you, Jeremy, for the videos and just believing in people that make fragrance videos and stuff like that. I'm no better than nobody else. I just enjoy talking about videos, and I enjoy watching your channel, Jeremy. And my 3 favorite fragrances that I like from your channel, that I keep a lot, I wear, is Valentino Uomo Intense. I love this with the iris. Just beautiful. The tonka and leather. I love this one a lot. Smells great. And then the number 2 is great, is Prada L'Homme. Great fragrance. Another iris fragrance. Beautiful. Fresh off his scent. Beautiful. I love this fragrance. And then last but not least, I know my current girlfriend doesn't like it, but I do like this fragrance. I enjoyed the video you made of it, Jeremy. This is Acqua di Gio Profumo. This is great. Smells great. I like it. The magnetic cap. Overall, it's nice. I like the top of it. I like the smell. It's nice. You know, it's great. Thank you, Jeremy, for making life more easier for me to enjoy life and everything else, and try to realize that stuff does happen, but you move forward. And I'm happy. I'm very happy with all the subscribers that I have on my channel. I'm happy making videos all the time, even though some people, you know, say negative things or whatever. I'm happy that I got a bunch of positive people that enjoy my content. And I wish you all the best of luck, Jeremy, on your fragrance journey and your fragrance line coming out soon. Thanks for everybody watching my video. It was a hard video to make, this video, but I just made it. If you like the video, that's great. If you don't like it, it's okay. I just want to let you guys know that my life isn't as glamorous as people think it is just because I buy fragrances or I seem happy on camera. Behind the camera, I go through a lot of stuff. So thanks for watching this video. Until my next video, bye.